to see and also listen to a lot of presenters when it comes to the different approaches and pedagogies that teachers and teacher educators are doing in their home institutions. Regardless of the boundaries in terms of geography, there's commonalities in terms of the issues and the challenges that teachers face. And for us to have this conversation and for us to have a venue for dialogue and also to continue to network, that's really important for me.
Una yung talk ni Therese Bustos po is yung paradoxes of inclusive education, of inclusivity. It really made you think kung tama ba yung mga practices na ginagawa natin, kung anong kailangan natin i-modify para maging truly inclusive tayo. Then second, since math major po ako, isa pong tumatak sa akin ngayong araw, yung workshop po ni Ma'am Pauline is about yung parang hands-on approach on mathematics na self-discovery method.
Workshop regarding fostering family resiliency done by Nef Butor, and in that workshop we're able to participate, so interactive yung ginawa, and then we learned about adversity, resiliency.
I became more aware of programs and different practices that are done globally, and I am happy that Filipinos are really actively involved in this program, the global competencies. Now I am happy that one of our speakers today shared with us and made us realize that most of the institutions here in the Philippines are already globally competitive.
I like everything about the conference, but especially the plenary this morning, the papers from the professors about inclusion, how many of them approach the issue of inclusion from different angles, different dimensions, and different aspects of inclusion. I was very impressed. But the breakaway session as well, about counseling, what are the issues, and how people shared their experiences around counseling this afternoon. So I'm actually impressed about everything. Yes.